Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your go-to source for the latest celebrity news and entertainment updates. And today, we have some major news. Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly have officially welcomed their baby girl. Yep, you heard that right. After months of speculation and drama surrounding their relationship, the couple is now embracing parenthood together. So, let's dive into all the juicy details. Alright, let's rewind a bit. Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly, whose real name is Colson Baker, first started dating in 2020, following her split from longtime husband Brian Austin Green. Their romance was intense, passionate, and, let's be real, a little chaotic at times. They got engaged in January 2022, but by late 2023, the couple had their fair share of ups and downs. And now, in March 2025, despite breaking off their engagement last year, they have officially welcomed their first child together. Now, let's talk about this little bundle of joy. According to sources close to the couple, Megan gave birth to their daughter on March 27, 2025. And while the pair may no longer be romantically involved, they're both reportedly over the moon about their new baby. In fact, MGK took to Instagram to share a heartfelt post, referring to their newborn as their little celestial seed. Ah, how poetic. In his post, Machine Gun Kelly shared a touching video of himself holding his daughter's tiny hand, alongside a caption that had his signature mystical vibes. And get this, he also revealed that he and Travis Barker actually composed a special lullaby tuned to 432 Hz to welcome their daughter into the world. If you're not familiar, 432 Hz is believed by some to be the natural frequency of the universe. So, yeah, this baby is already vibing on a whole new level. Now, let's not forget, this isn't Megan's first rodeo when it comes to parenting. She's already a devoted mom to 3 boys, Noah, Body, and Journey, whom she shares with her ex-husband Brian Austin Green. Meanwhile, MGK also has a daughter from a previous relationship. So, needless to say, baby number 4 is stepping into a pretty big and loving blended family. So, where does this leave Megan and MGK as co-parents? According to insiders, they're putting their differences aside and are 100% committed to raising their daughter together, despite their breakup. While their romance may have fizzled out, their love for their little girl is what truly matters right now. And honestly, we love to see it. Alright, now it's time to hear from you. What do you guys think about Megan Fox and Machine Gun Kelly's newest addition to their family? Do you think this will bring them closer, or are they better off as just co-parents? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay fabulous. And hey, if you love this update, make sure to subscribe to Mix It Media for more trending news, celebrity updates, and entertainment buzz. Your support means the world, and we can't wait to keep bringing you the latest stories. See you soon.